Let's look at the future of Photoshop with Generative Fill. Like you can see, I've got this image and I'd like to extend this image with the help of Generative Fill. I simply select it and click on Generate, and without putting any prompt, it automatically identifies the image perspective, lighting, and gives me the style of image that I'd like. It'll create 3 variations of every prompt or without any prompt, and I can create more by just clicking the Generate button. Now I'm going to put man paragliding in the sky, and again, how well it manages the perspective and the lighting. I'll put another one in the valley, this time with the paragliding women prompt, and it again gives me 3 variations. I can choose from the one which I find the best. Now I'm going to remove this not so good looking object from my image with a house prompt, and with the toolbar that is assistive toolbar that is there, I can play around with multiple variations. Then I'd like to add a flock of birds, and then I'll choose the white variation, then just add some text right here to complete the billboard banner that I'm looking forward to create here. Just give it a little formatting hint, put in my logo, and there you go. My billboard banner is ready. Now it's ready to be placed on the billboard. Just giving you a quick look into as to how it would look. And there you go. That is how magically and easy it is to create your designs now.